The first part of address is to figure out what the problem is actually asking you to do. Let's look at an example. In the 2010 Winter Olympic Games in Vancouver, Canada, the United States athletes won one more than 4 times the number of gold medals won by the French athletes. The United States won 7 more golds than the French as well. Find the number of gold medals won by the French athletes. Now, if we're being honest, this is a lot to take in all at once. So let's think about this problem as a plate of food for just a moment. When you sit down to dinner, you don't just pile the whole thing into your mouth. You take small bites. So we need to break this word problem into small bites as well. The first chunk we're going to bite is the actual question in this problem. What is this problem actually asking us to do? What do you think? Don't worry, I'll wait. The problem is really asking us to find the number of gold medals won by the French athletes. That is what we need to find out. That is our unknown, our variable. Once we have identified the question chunk of the word problem, there are a few more things we should do to wrap up the ask part of address. First, we want to identify what variable we are going to use. I like X just because we always use X. So let's just say that X will be the number of French gold medals. Then we should guess what the answer is going to be. This helps us establish a ballpark to help check our answer later. I'm going to guess 3 because for the US to have 7 more medals than the French, that would put us at about 10 golds, which seems respectable. I should state, it doesn't really matter if my estimate is off, it's an estimate. But if later I get an answer like 46 or -3, then I'll know that I need to double check my work to make sure I didn't mess up. Now, that's all there is for the ask step in address. Click on the next button to try for yourself.